How to turn on two-step verification in the Ring app. So open the Ring app if you haven't already. Then you'll see three lines on the top left corner of your screen. Simply tap on it, and here you'll see an option called account settings. Tap on it, then scroll down until you see an option called two-step verification. Tap on it, then after a few moments, Ring will direct you to this page. Here, scroll down until you see an option called authorize a new device and customer support verification. So simply tap on the preferred option that you would like to turn on two-step verifications for. For now, I will verify for a new device. So just tap on generate, then it will send a verification code. Simply write this verification code on the new device and it will turn on two-step verification, and it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.